sorry for that interruption as we had a power outage that time. Ano nangyari? Okay. Cholo, final na to. We're finally back to our ball game after that power outage. So again, we have J3 and Uratex Dream for our first game with a score of 1 to 10 in favor of Uratex Dream, 1 to 12 in favor of Uratex Dream.
Ye-
There,
Yes, and Hana, no, na-mention mo kanina na may unexpected interruptions tayo, no? Pero kita natin na, na walang effect yun sa ating Eurotex Dream as they score a quick 2 when we resumed our game. Pero itong J3 din, they scored a quick 2 as well, answering back. Pero they are currently facing a deficit of 9, so hindi pwedeng they just keep exchanging baskets, so they need to make a run of their own. But fortunately for them, medyo mahaba pa ang oras, so still more than time to get back into this ball game as Deacon will show her presence inside and will miss.
and speaking of Deacon, she just doesn't shoot inside the paint. So, nakita natin, nagtatry din siyang mag 2 points, which is 3 points sa 5 on 5. And she's not your usual tall player, not your usual center, no?
Yeah, and her credentials speak for that, no, as she was a member of the Ateneo de Manila Lady Eagles. And hindi lang basta-basta member, no, that team went to the finals. The team where she was part of, so alam mong hindi basta-basta ito si Deacon. Actually, yung buong roster nitong Eurotex Dream, no, very loaded with credentials. But of course, itong jump shot J3, no, really just a force din to be reckoned with.
And speaking of this J3 team, we have, as we can see with their jerseys, it states jump shot. But to clarify, there are actually two teams composing, playing as one. This team is named after J3, and the other team would be a jump shot. So I think they're also from Singapore.
Yeah, tama ka doon, Hana, no? Kahapon, again, we weren't really aware na two different teams to, but now kita natin na they're wearing the same jerseys. Again, they're from Singapore, no? So maybe we can infer na they're really a 5 versus 5 team na dinivide into two, no, for our Elite Invitational today.
Asarada with that 2-point shot. And J3 trying to score there. Deacon again. Deacon drives and scores.
Yeah, that was over Luno. Very great maneuver right there, using her height, no?
Great steal by Mika Cacho to her teammates, to Harada, to passing it to Deacon, making that a 13-point lead in favor of Uratex Dream. Christina Deacon now has 7 points for this ball game. And Uratex Dream actually is just 5 points away from reaching 21. So
Yeah, we can really see yung elite level nila, no? Yun nga, kaya sila nandito because they are really an elite team and they're not just really showing that on paper, no? Kita natin sa performance din na sinasabay nila yung credentials nila with their very good performance.
and with this Eurotex Dream, ang advantage nila compared really to J3 is that medyo matagal na rin sila nagsama and matagal na sila naglalaro ng 3x3. I think Coach mentioned earlier to us na since 2021 atang ng buong nilang team, kaya naman medyo nagje-gel na talaga sila together. And speaking of Mika Cacho, ayan na nga, she's gonna take that 2-point shot. Pero kahit kakapasok niya lang, makikita mo na she's not no new. She's nothing new to the team and she can really click to Eurotex Dream.
Yeah, Hana, no, itong Eurotex Dream, they've been playing together since 2021 pa. As Cacho will score. Ito si Cacho, bagong pasok, bagong recruit. Sabi ko nga kanina, ito yung magic bunot for Eurotex Dream eh. Pero kita natin na she's no stranger to this game, no? And of course, she's no stranger with her credentials as well.
And speaking of Mika Cacho, she actually had her first Gila stint, which she also had her very first medal. They actually won for silver that time for 3x3. Kaya naman, nandun talaga yung experience.
Yung kita natin, actually obvious sa demeanor ni Mika Cacho, no? Kita sa moves niya na she really has a good feel for the game, no? Kita natin yung dribble niya, yung jump shot niya. May forma talaga kung tawagin natin.
And not only Mika Cacho has that experience eh. Actually, lahat sila, even Deacon, who played internationally na rin. Kaya ando na, parang memorize na rin nila kung paano gumalaw sa 3x3, kung paano laruin ang 3x3.
Yeah, again, it's a different animal, no? Not necessarily yung strategies mo nung 5 versus 5 gagana here in our 3x3 competition. So it's good to see na itong Eurotex. They really thought about their strategies well, no? I think may mga plays talaga sila, kita natin, no? They have backdoor cuts, mga screens, and alike.
Kay Pingol also with 5 points now. And Kay Pingol, who played also for Jumpsuit Singapore team as 3x3. And now they reach 21, making them the first winner for our 3x3 Elite Invitational.
Yeah, what a dominating performance, no? Hindi man lang nakaabot ng double digits ang J3. Eurotex Dream showing that they're not just elite on paper, no? Sinasabay nila yung credentials nila with a very dominating performance.
The final score for this game would be 6-21 in favor of Eurotex Dream. And our best player goes to Christina Deacon with her moves inside the paint. Very big win for the Eurotex Dream. As we can see there, Christina Deacon